everybody, and welcome to The Well-Educated Artist. Look at all of the beautiful paints we're going to be using today. They are all metallics and color shifts today, except for our base paint, which is going to be titanium white. They are all mixed with Floetrol and water. We have DecoArt's Extreme Sheen Pearl, Folk Art's Color Shift Aqua Flash that you see me use a lot, Anita's Metallic Sapphire, Anita's Metallic Amethyst. I got the jewel tones going on here. Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash, Folk Art's Metallic Plum, Folk Art's Color Shift Orchid Flash, and DecoArt's Metallic Berry. So some of your favorites may be a part of these metallics, and they're pretty awesome. We're gonna finish it off with a little razzle dazzle. So here we're starting with a round canvas. While I'm putting on my gloves, my already dirty hands, but I'm going to put my gloves on anyway, we are starting with an almost 12-inch round. I'm not sure what these people do when they make these canvases. Half the time they are nowhere near what they need to be. This one is very short in one direction. It's only a little over 11, and the other side is almost 12. So I don't know what they were doing when they made these canvases. Okay, so let me get my other glove on. Okay, so as you can see, I have already painted around the edges of my canvas. This is gray purple, and it's a very pretty purple. And so that way you don't see anything on the sides. Like I said, we are doing all metallics, and I'm going to be doing an open cup pour on around, but I'm going to be using this little tiny open cup, which is actually the middle of a tape roll. I use these all the time since I've had my neck surgery, and I'm using K-tape. We'll call it kinesthesiology tape, but not which brand. You can probably see it in the middle, but I use that all the time, and so I'm going to be using that to do my open cup today. So I'm going to begin with titanium white. This is mixed with Floetrol and water, and I'm just going to pour that in the middle. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in the middle, and I'm going to start putting my colors down. I'm going to layer every color you see here in order, and you can see a list of all of these colors in the description below. Okay, I really like how it's turning out. It's very reminiscent of a cloud pour, but what I'm going to do is put my roll back in the middle, and I'm going to add a little bit of bling. And yes, you may think, oh my god, you're ruining it, and I might be, but I've got some really awesome new holographic glitter that you just have to try out. It's extra fun, and I'm just going to stick that right in the middle, right into the roll where I put my paint, and just cover it. I just have to do it. I need a little bit of bling. So now I'm going to have to remove it oh so carefully. I'm just sprinkling some glitter here all over it, just because I want to. And now I need to just lift it up and not make a mess. So watch very carefully. I am lifting it, and okay, and there it is. Yes, there is the glitter. Look at that shine. I love it. This is awesome. I don't think the glitter is going to stay in the middle. It's probably going to dissipate. You can put in the comments below if you think it's going to move around, and I will definitely show you a finished product. But look at that. Look at that glitter and the color. It's pretty awesome. My lights were kind of drowning it out from my camera up on the top, but now you can really see the color and you can see what I'm seeing. And now I've got a lot of bling in there. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And do you think this glitter is going to spread out? And the paint's going to definitely keep moving. You see it's already started moving, but how much is the paint going to move? You never know what you're going to end up with in a pour painting. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And make some comments below. There is the dry result. There's no varnish on this one. This is what it looks like. I will varnish it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.